Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to update values in Python dictionaries. Dictionaries are mutable, which means their values can be changed after creation. To update a value, we use the key name, and the basic syntax is given in the slide 1. So you can see over there, dictionary name of key equals to new value. So let's see an example. Student equals to name colon Harini and age colon 18. We have seen this example in before classes also. Now suppose we want to change age from 18 to 20. By default, if any error occurs or if we want to change or we want to update any value which is given before already which is created, so this updation will help us. So after this student of key age equals to 20, then print student gives the output name Harini age 20. Here the old value is 18 and 18 is replaced with 20. And another example is also given which is for the string characters. So the output will become city Mumbai. So remember one thing, dictionary values can be updated using keys. And second slide will say about adding and updating multiple values. Now let's learn more ways to update dictionaries. We can also add new key value pairs. Example, student equals to name colon Harini. Student of key course equals to Python. Print student output name Harini. A course is Python. So here a new key called course is added. Now let's learn about update method. The update method updates multiple values together. Example, for the for the before code student equals to name colon Harini, the student dot update age colon 20 and city colon Hyderabad and print student will gives the output like name is equals to Harini, age is equals to 20, city is equals to Hyderabad. Here age is updated and city is added. So dictionaries are very useful because data can be modified easily. So quick recap is use keys to update values, new key value pairs can be added and multiple update helps update multiple values together. So today you have learned about how to update dictionary values and how to add values and how to update works and how the update works, and so keep practicing and happy coding.